What's up guys, it's Blizzard1. I'm really tired today because I just got home from my golf lesson after school and it's been a long day, and today is August 30th and it's 8 p.m. right now, and it's just 4 more hours until my birthday because my birthday is on August 31st and I'm turning 11. So 4 more hours and it's gonna be my birthday, and tomorrow's gonna be an exciting day because I have school and it's my birthday. So yeah, it's gonna be exciting. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Happy birthday kakak, happy birthday kakak, happy birthday Mateo, happy birthday to you. Yay! Hooray! Happy 11 years old.
What's up guys? It's the morning right now and I just turned 11 and it's August 31st and I just showered and I'm wearing my new Golden State Warriors shirt I got from my mom and dad for my present, and it looks really cool. Right now I'm about to head in the car and because it's school day, so let's get right into the car.
Bye, Mama. Bye. Bye, kakak.
Bye.
Have fun.
Ooh, guys, today was a tough day at school. I had 2 tests, 1 math test and 1 reading test and 1 English. That makes 3 tests. Like, on my birthday? Like, who would do that? Well, at least at the end of the day, we had PE and we played dodgeball, which was really fun. And I'm very excited right now because we are going to a place. We are going to a restaurant for my birthday dinner, and there's my dad there and my grandma there. So I'll see you there.
Born when I went to Japan for the first time.
Okay guys, so my steak just came and it's called prime ribs, and let's see how it tastes. Oh no. Let's take a bite.
Enak. On a scale 1 to 10, how would you rate it?
11. Guys, the steak is really good and very soft.
Juicy?
Corn. Ano ba ganito corn? Yung iya tao.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this steak. This is the beef, and this is the bone, and this is the beef. Oh my gosh, and there is the sauce. Woo! Okay guys, I just got the tomahawk steak, the one in the video that was really big, and I just got 4 pieces and I'm about to cut it and I'm about to taste it. Okay, first bite. Guys, it's actually better than the first steak. This is my favorite steak. I'll give it a rate of 12 out of 10.
Lumayan kita. Ako magagabol ko dito.
Okay guys, next food is corn niblets, and let's see if they taste good. First scoop.
Hooray!
Next dish is butter rice wagyu, and this is the wagyu right over here. But let's try the butter rice first. Guys, that's actually amazing. Oh my gosh, let's try a combo. This with the wagyu.
You like it? Love it.
What's up, guys? It's Blizzard One, and that dinner was amazing. Today was an amazing day. I had school and I had my birthday. It was so good. All my friends sang happy birthday to me, and that dinner was so good. It made me so full, and I wish I could have gone there and again. It was so good. So I'll see you in the next video for my birthday party on Saturday. So subscribe and like this video and stay tuned for the new video. Bye.